Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Recent report and users have reported the issue with the latest Windows, and if you are one of them and your PC is crashed, and or if you want to uninstall the latest update and restore your system to the working state. So this video sorry I will show you how to fix the broken update PC on your system. So first of all, what you can do is, this is a simple fix. I'm going to tell you the step by steps so that easy method you can follow first. Click on start menu and then click on here settings, then update and security, and first of all pause the update for couple of weeks. Okay, you just need to choose that option, the down arrow. I accidentally click on the extended for a week, pause for a week, but you can choose this option, drag down, and then you can select at least for 24 days, 28 days. And this is the first option you can try. And once it is paused, what you can do is you can uninstall the updates from here. You can see extended for 4 weeks, 3 weeks, that is up to you. I should suggest you to pause for at least 2 weeks so that Microsoft can fix it. And go to update history from here, scroll down and look for the option uninstall update. And once you see that, you can uninstall here the latest update simply and restart your PC. So this is the first fix. If this option is not working for you, what you can do is you can open your system to the recovery mode, or you can simply restore your system. Type a system restore like this. Click on the system restore, but this will only work when your system was when the system restore is created on your system. Choose a different point so that you can get the older version. Show more restore point, and you can see date. You can choose the later, I mean the old date you can choose when the update was not happened or done on your system, and simply click on next, click on finish, and click on yes. Your system will be simply restored to the working state when there was no update, such update which broke your PC. And now later on also pause the update. But if you are not able to access your PC like this, you have to go through the recovery option. Either you can shut down your system 2 to 3 times to repair and go to the advanced recovery options, or you can make a bootable pen drive. This is my video. This is my VM. You just need to click on your start menu, hold the shift key, simply restart it. Keep holding the shift key until you see recovery options. And we have the options to uninstall the latest update as well from there. Keep holding the shift key on your system. Now you can release your shift key and you should get the recovery options. And from there I should tell you the way to how to fix it. Let me shut it down. Let's turn it on. Now here is the recovery options. You need to select your troubleshoot, then go to advanced options, and now simply click on uninstall update. Select one by one, uninstall latest quality update, and then select uninstall latest feature update. And once you've done that, you should be able to fix your issue. Additionally, you can go to system restore point by the same way which I have already shown you, but here is no options. So if system restore is not made on your system, you are not able to follow this step. Otherwise, you can follow this step easily and your system will be restored in a working day. Additionally, you can open your command prompt and simply hit this command sfc scan now, and this will fix the Windows file corruption if any, and will try to resolve your Windows corruption issues. And once done, you can continue with your Windows 11. And this is the way to fix this issue. And I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.